Hello everybody, my name is Austin from Acura, and today I'll be showing you guys how to use the walkaway auto lock function on a 2020 Acura Tlx. So, in order to access that function, you must first go to the center console, and it should be on the settings button on the right side. Press on it, and it should lead you to the settings menu of the car. So, scroll all the way down to vehicle settings and then look for the keyless access functions. Let's see. Right here, walkaway auto lock, and then you can turn it off or turn it on over here. So basically what walkaway auto lock does is if you walk away from your car when it's turned off, after 5 feet, it will lock itself on all the doors. So you don't have to do it with your key manually. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. My name is Austin from Acura, and have a nice day.